Hey guys, welcome back here at the Overland Expo, or the SoCal Overland Expo. Got all these trucks and vehicles. It's a beautiful day, about 60 degrees out here in Orange County, Costa Mesa to be exact. I'll see you guys inside. Alright guys, we made it. Here at the expo. This is the beginning of it right here. Yeah, that's crazy. This one's like, oh, they got the specials right now. This way. I think they kind of just talk over too. It's like every sale thing. You know, that town there. Big opening, right? Yeah. They're on their way. I'll say that. Decent walk. You'll tell me. Tell me how he's setting that up there. Oh, they're quick. Folds on itself. Oh yeah.
So now how when you have the table.
Yeah, you get the camper and then you get this next to it. So you can have the camper for sleeping and this one for chilling.
Dude, you guys just
I don't know, I might purchase one. Let's see. Oh, seriously? Super tramp.
We do have a.
What's up, guys? How you doing?
What's up, you guys? It's Zach Zane from Hamburg.
Sick. This is a Sport, I think, because it's got the hood on it.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Raptor. Condition. Ivan. Scamberg. Upper country.
You know how to get him back.
Colorado. We're having method wheels over here.
Okay.
In the other spots.
Did you catch the fact that
That did his work?
Here you go.
the gearbox is bolted?
Can I, look. Oh, it's all set up with everything.
On the way here,
Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. It's a good little design.
Oh, it's got a snorkel on it too.
keep switching places and showing each other butts.
Just what I bought, I had to have it because it was like.
It's got rigid on it, yeah. Sport. It's just.
I saw you.
I just need somebody to help. Yeah. Yeah. So I would probably order to install them on
You've got the lock off-road wheels too that I want.
Oh, really?
These are the ones.
Saw the way inside and everything.
Yeah, that gray one's nice. This is a hybrid one right here.
These
Yeah, the rock rails. This is sick though. Toyos. So those are
How's it going, guys?
good, man.
Guys
How
got
you
any
doing?
questions on the build?
No, just kind of checking it out.
It's been a freaking journey, that's for sure.
We got the whole peak suspension on there and everything.
Yeah, we just put them
Upper
on for,
control
King of
arms,
Hammers,
too.
And I was telling someone earlier, like, dude, right when I got there, it jumped the truck. And
Yeah.
I was like, the suspension's been insane.
Yeah, dude, it looks like it.
And I was a huge King fanboy.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's what everybody's doing. I mean, obviously all the time King, you see King everywhere, but yeah, that's cool that you're going a different route. I mean, their stuff is dope. I've seen the peak stuff too, so I was looking at Icon too. Icon's pretty good. There's so many options, you know.
Yeah, the options are crazy.
But,
There's so many different companies.
Yeah, everybody's doing it. So heck yeah, sick ass build though, bro.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Yeah, that shit's hard. I think I got a 4th gen too, but I got a bronze oxide off-road.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I'm doing a lot of stuff to it too, and I did the Icon front strut reinforcement plate and a couple other things, and the Timbrin off-road rear bump stops for bottoming and stuff. Just shit like that, because I'm off-roading more than anything, or tried to. So yeah, but man, these 4th gens are fucked though.
Dude, they're sick.
Yeah,
The power's
they're
insane.
yeah. And you have the hybrid, so I can only imagine. I just have the regular one. Yeah, I don't know. I wanted the hybrid, but then again, I didn't want to wait, because they came out a little bit later. Lexus. So you got your stuff here, heck yeah.
38,000 is the range.
Okay. Where you guys out of?
So we're in Arizona, about 7 hours.
They're solar too. Okay. I got it. Yeah. Oh, they're booth? Yeah, they're booth. You got Trying to get some stickers real quick.
Or yeah, you don't want that size. So you'll like
Yeah,
3 times.
No, it's a big enough space.
Yeah, the foreign. And the free. Carbon fiber. Yeah.
I'm gonna change hats.
And then you can take it to any shop.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Go ahead.
Their method too. Look at the grill. Yeah, it does. It's a different bronze though. That's funny. There's a ridge line.
Your sticker up. No free promo.
Which one? Which one? Here's the one that we saw.
Slightly different stone.
Yeah, I've seen that. Yeah, this one's bad. It is bad. We got the Baja boss. I don't know how much it is. Garmin. Here, and then we'll make a circle and then we'll go. It's my truck. They're huge. Everything is bad. Well, what do you want to eat?
Yes, the special is this. You want some salsa? That's,
Yeah.
He made it with us.
I appreciate you guys, bro. I've been following you for a minute
Oh,
too.
dude, thank you.
Appreciate that.
I feel so
Spicy.
bad that we had to cut it off.
Oh, you feel bad way?
I do too. Yeah.
Yeah, we appreciate you guys. We appreciate the love.
Make
and
quesadillas
everything.
instead. Give it to me.
Heck yeah.
That's he made that. That's the.
Thank you guys.
queso.
Gracias. Hey.
Guys,
Yeah, thank you guys.
take care.
Yeah,
Thank you for
too,
waiting.
man.
Thank you so much for waiting.
Yeah, of
Hey,
course.
wait,
Thank
that
you
thing is
guys.
burning stuff.
Thank you for the content and everything you do,
Dude,
bro.
you got
I love
it.
it.
You got it.
Love you guys.
Hey, Nico, you see that?
Let's go. Sheesh, we got a free quesadilla, homies, from Buster B. George.
Quesadilla.
Heck yeah. Look at that beef shit. I'm gonna attack Tacoma beef too. Tacoma beef.
15 minutes.
In the back. Going once. Going twice. Ready? 0, 2, 8, 2, 8, 1. You got it? Number 4.
It's actually super tiny. I forgot to tell you guys. It's in there. So make sure to link up with her. Okay. She'll get all your information.
Thank you guys all for
Okay,
coming out.
man.
Hey, man. And our friends here at Taco Beach, we appreciate everybody.
Thank you guys.
Yeah!
Other
It probably was.
But yours is not the
Let's go to that one, maybe.
Give Dahlia off.
She did not like it.
No.
She did not move.
Her bike's like a cube. Look at the dog.